Welcome to part 3 of Blazor project. In this episode, I want to show how to configure SMTP for automatic email sending to confirm your account. So we no longer see the description, click here to confirm the account, which is kind of artificial. We will actually get email sent to new users' mailbox. To do this, there is 3 things we need to configure in our code and something we need to configure on one of our Google accounts. Let's scroll down to this line. When we declare email sender, and let's comment this line and let's paste it. Here we go. So now instead of email sender with identity no OP email sender, I will be using SMTP email sender. To use it, we need to create new folder in our project. So let's click here. Let's click on add folder and let's call it services. And here, let's click it and let's add new class and let's call this class this name. So that will be SMTP email sender and let's enter. Okay, and let's paste the code that we need. And now I will explain the code that we just pasted here. What we need is to create new SMTP email sender, which is a service that we declared in Program.cs. It implements email sender with application user, which we need for our Microsoft identity that we used in the first episode. Then we have a constructor that's using configuration. And then, very similar to each other, we have 4 different methods. It's a send email async, which is a general method. And then we have 3 other methods that are required from us because they're required by implementing email sender, and they are send password reset code async, send password reset link async, and send confirmation link async. Actually, the one that we need for this episode is this one, send confirmation link async. And as all of them, it declares a client using this helper method, create SMT client, and it creates email message by this create mail message method. Then it adds this email and then it sends. And that's all that it actually needed. But of course, from configuration, we need to tell it what is the host, which port, what is the username, and what is the password. So now let's go to app settings. This time it's just appsettings.json, not appsettings.development.json. Let's go here. We are here in app settings and let's add the last part of the code. This is declaring SMTP part of our settings. There is the host, which directs us to Gmail. The port is always 587 for Gmail. And now we just need to prepare username and password. So we are here on Google, and now we need to paste here http myaccount.google.com/apppasswords. And probably you will see the same screen that I'm seeing now. It's saying that we are not allowed to create password. And why is that? The reason is that our Gmail account has to have 2 authentication methods set up. So if you want to configure this SMTP with Google, which I really recommend because it's free and it works good, please create a 2-way verification method for your Google account. Probably it will be confirming with another email or with your phone number that this account is yours. So you will need password and confirmation by phone. I'm gonna do it for this account. I'm not gonna show it because there's privacy details, but I will come back to it once it's done. So please also do it for your account. Okay, and we are back to the same page. Now two-factor verification method is enabled, so we can proceed. I'm sorry, it's in my native language. I forgot to switch my Google account to English, but this is very standard thing. Now let's call the app again Blazor project, and let's proceed. And now we have received the password. Keep it for yourself, don't share it with anyone. You can see it on my screen, but I'm not gonna use this Gmail account for anything else other than tutorials, so I can show it to you. So I copied, I go back to Visual Studio and I paste it here. And okay, now everything is configured. We are ready and we can launch our app. Okay, so now what we want to do is to click on the register, and again we want to register the account with Google, but this time instead of confirming account manually, we want to receive the confirmation email and click on the link. But first, because we already have account registers, so let's sign up. Okay, we entered, and now let's go here to account details, and let's click on personal data, and let's delete that account. Okay, now the account is deleted, so let's register now. The same with Google. Now we were successfully authenticated by Google. It recognized that we are this email address. This page could also be skipped, but let's do it in later episodes. Let's click on the register. And as you see, this time we cannot confirm the account manually. We get information, please check your email to confirm your account. So let's do it. Let's go to Gmail. Let's go to the inbox. And as we see, we have new email, technically from ourselves. But let's click it, and we could add some more information to that email, but we know what that is. This is the account confirmation link. So I click it now, and thank you for confirming your email. And now we have the account confirmed. Let's click on authentication required. Now we need to log in, and we are in the app. So we did the same steps like the last episode. We registered with Google, but this time we received confirmation email because we have SMTP mail enabled. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.